Hi, my name is Cody and today we're going to be discussing MIG welding. First thing we're going to do is find ourselves a piece of metal and get it cleaned up so we can weld on it. Next we're going to set up our machine. First we're going to take our ground clamp and clamp it on the table. If you're welding on a large piece of metal, you can clamp it to the piece of metal you're welding on, but since we're using a small piece, we'll just clamp it on the table. Next we're gonna make sure that the hose where the wire comes through isn't all kinked up, make sure it smooths nicely, and then we're gonna turn on our gas, which you're going to turn on all the way. This is a mixture of argon and carbon dioxide. 75% argon, 25% carbon dioxide, as you can see here. Now that we have our gas on, we are going to set our volts and wired speed. This bottom one here is volts, which we have set at E. The top is your wired speed, which we typically set around 325 for when it's set on E for your volts. Next we're going to make sure we have our proper gear on for welding, so our welding gloves and mask. Let's take a closer look at this. This is where the wire comes out. It should really be cleaned, and you pull this trigger to make the wire come out. If we actually weld a bead down, I'm going to kind of show you how you want to hold the handle here. It's kind of going to be like using a stick almost. You don't want it directly above it, but you want to do a very slight angle, and you're going to do your crescent moon shapes as you weld your bead. So we're going to go ahead and turn the machine on and weld the bead and see how it looks. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cool off the weld. Once you've cooled off the weld, you can clean it up with a wire brush. And remember, you don't wear gloves while using a wire brush. So you go ahead and clean your weld off with the wire brush and then inspect your weld.